Today is my oldest son Dylan's birthday. This year he asked for peanut butter chocolate chip pie, and that's what he's gonna get. Usually my son for his birthday wants an Oreo cake. Since it hadn't been that long since I've made it, this year he decided he wanted a peanut butter chocolate chip pie. It's a pie I used to make regularly, but it's been a while since I've made it. So I'm going to make it with you today. And if you like content like this, please hit that subscribe button down below. Give me a big thumbs up and comment. Tell me what you think. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, I've got my oven preheating to 350 degrees. I've got 2 frozen pie crusts waiting to be used. And you can make your own pie crust. I usually do, but this time I opted for the frozen. And they're just as good. So, to start off, and I'm doubling this recipe because one pie would only make us mad. Because it wouldn't be enough. So, I'm starting off with 2 sticks of butter. And it's been softened. I just left it on the counter overnight. So it's nice and messy. Okay, I've got my 2 sticks of butter. And I've got 4 eggs beaten. And I've got my vanilla. And you'll need 4 teaspoons of vanilla. And I'm just going to guess it. And I have got 2 cups of sugar mixed in with 1 cup of plain flour. And then I've got my chips and my nuts here. So I'm going to start off mixing my butter. And it won't take it long because it's soft. Now I want to add in my eggs. And my vanilla. And let that mix together really well. This is really an easy pie. All right. Scrape down the bottom real good. And now we want to add our flour and sugar into this mixture. And mix it till it's well combined. Really, it's a Reese's peanut butter and chocolate chip cookie pie, because that's almost what it is. It's like a great big old cookie in a pie crust. So now we're going to add 2 cups of nuts, and I'm using pecans. And you don't have to grind them that fine. That's the way my family likes them. And usually you can buy your peanut butter and milk chocolate chips mixed. But since I'm doubling it, I'm using a pack of chocolate chips and a pack of the Reese's peanut butter chips. Figure same difference. This is a very forgiving pie. And you just want to stir it all around and get it good and mixed. Yeah, it's hard to believe my baby just turned 26 today. He hates when I call him a baby, my baby. But he'll always be Mrs. Gazaway's baby boy, just like his brother will. All right. Now let me get my pie shells. And just divide it between the two. Look at all that goodness. Just spread it around. This pie really didn't take long at all. Of course, it'll take a little while to cook because it says to cook it for 50 to 55 minutes, but mine usually don't take that long. So you do want to keep an eye on it. Our stove is an old stove, so the temperature probably isn't calibrated right. Now I'm going to put this in the oven, and I'm going to set my timer for about 40 minutes to start off with to see what we get. So I'll be back. Here they are out of the oven cooling. They smell so good. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit that subscribe button, give me a big thumbs up, and comment down below. So until next time, bye. Pie with vanilla bean ice cream. So good. I hope you enjoyed this. I know I'm going to enjoy this. Bye.